good to be back. It's been a minute. I have been vlogging. It's not like I haven't been vlogging, but the content just hasn't been given to me. It hasn't been given what I wanted to give. And like this year, first of all, before I go into this rant, how is everyone doing? How has the new year been so far? January is almost over. Like the January is almost over. So how has the new year been? How is like your goals and everything been? To get into my rant, I've been vlogging, but like the content, not like I edited the content, but I just knew in my mind the content wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. I feel like I want to curate or be more intentional with how I feel my content for YouTube. How I feel my content for YouTube, that's my goal, and that's why I haven't really posted anything. But hopefully we're back to being more consistent, giving you more content, being more intentional with how we film our content and all of that. So yeah, I'm happy to be back. Today is Monday. Also, I also haven't been posting because I've been tired a lot. I think I haven't been feeling so good, but I'm doing much better today. It's Tuesday night. It's 9:13 p.m. Baby toddler in bed sleeping, and I'm about to eat some chicken and build some Lego to relax before I do my other night activities. Hello everyone, today is Wednesday. We just stopped by Starbucks to get a sandwich and go back to work.
to get to know ya. 이미 시작돼.